This is Eric Chong at the San Francisco Civic Center with breaking news. On Tuesday, May 26, Outlook Video learned that the California Supreme Court issued their ruling on Proposition 8, the voter-approved ban on same-sex marriage, as well as the status of the 18,000 gay couples who married last year. In a 136-page ruling, 6 out of 7 justices concluded that Proposition 8 constitutes a permissible constitutional amendment.
It is impossible to square the elation that we felt just a year ago with the grief that we feel today. And it is impossible to reconcile the court's ruling from a year ago with its upholding of Prop 8 today. In upholding Prop 8, the court tarnishes that landmark historic victory for equality and dignity and diminishes its own legacy as a champion of fairness and justice.
The court further concluded that Proposition 8 does not apply retroactively and therefore that the marriage of same-sex couples performed prior to the effective date of Proposition 8 remain valid.
Today we're faced with a disappointing decision, but I think we also know it could have been worse. Yes, we're disappointed that Proposition 8 was upheld, but we're also grateful that Prop 8's advocates did not succeed in their cruel effort to unmarry 18,000 lawfully wed couples.
It's a very strange ruling today. It divides California into the marriage haves and the marriage have-nots, and sets up an absurd situation as if marriage had been a limited time offer in California, on special for 3.5 months last year.
Same-sex marriage supporters reacted with disappointment and anger outside the State Building in San Francisco.
This is the most ridiculous thing I ever saw. This is America, for God's sakes. It's America. What's going on here? It's wrong. It's wrong. It's absolutely wrong.
On the day of decision, protesters gathered throughout the nation. In Palo Alto, the Raging Grannies held a rally on El Camino Real. In San Jose, hundreds came together at Cesar Chavez Park and marched to rally at City Hall. We will bring more coverage from the day of decision in next month's edition of Outlook Video. And for now, our regular programming with Roberta Gonzalez-Gregg and Raymond Donald Hong.